7 p.m., Doppler radar and stream gauges are indicating heavy rain producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cumberland, Frostburg, Kaiser, Bel-Air, Wallvale, Fort Ashby, Lamacony, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Court, Eckhart Mines, Mount Savage, Rawlings, Ellerslie, Corriendo, Midlothian, Woodland, Springtap. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Inventory neighborhoods of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
It's kind of been taken back when because it doesn't rain that much in Colorado, so it is